For these holiday bites, I use Red and Green M&Ms, white candy melts, and butter snaps. Place several pretzels on a plate. Cover the pretzels with a white candy melt. Place the plate in the microwave and heat. The exact timing will take a bit of trial and error. You want the candy melts to be melted enough to press the M&Ms into, but not melted to the point where the candy loses its shape. I ended up placing mine in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. The flowers are very easy to assemble. Start by pressing an M&M down in the center. Make the flower petals with contrasting colors of M&Ms. I use 6 for the petals, and remember to place the M side down. Allow the bites to completely cool and harden back up before you store them in an airtight container. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.